Hello and welcome to R Tips the Hub, where you keep learning a tip on R coding every day. So in this video we are going to look at this pane right here, which is files, plots, packages, help, viewer, presentation. Always normally referred to as the files pane or the plots pane, because once you learn how to plot figures in R, this is where they'll show up. So we have, first of all, we are going to start with files. So this usually shows it's connected to the working directory, or where all your files and code is running from, and we can see that it has a list of different files that have been saved in the working directory. And this is a very important file, because this shows the project file or saves information about the project. We are going to look further into that and see how to create a new project in R. So it has different options. We have the new folder, so in case you want to create a new folder, just add the folder name. So sometimes you need to organize your files in different folders. If you want to add a new file, it's also possible to do the same to what we did during the looking at the script editor. So you can also add new script directly into the folder that you're working in. There's also the option of delete, although you'll have to select the file that you want to delete. I would not recommend to delete this file, but probably want to delete this one, so just press delete. There's the rename, in case you want to change the name of the file. Then there's more here. You can either copy into the same file. Copy to is copy to another different folder. You can move, you can open in another pane, or you can set the working directory, go to the working directory, open a new terminal, show hidden files. So there's a lot happening here, and with time it gets you understand what these different functions or these different capabilities are. Then we have this, which is just a refresh. If you want to refresh a file listing, probably you've created a new file or deleted, you can refresh just to show you the current status. Then there's the option of the plots. This is where, if you plot a figure in R, this is where it shows up. This is what we call the packages. We're also going to look at what packages are in R, where you can install, update, and it also shows you the different packages that exist in R, and if they are loaded or if they are not. There's the help, in case you want to find specific instruction on something, just come here, search, and find help on that. There's the viewer, which also helps when you want to view something that you've created, such as a plot or a table, etc. Then there's the presentation, which relates to some specific types of file formats, such as quarter presentation or our notebook that we had looked at. So related to if you want to create slides and you want to present just within R. So that's the key, or the just core components of this pane here. Also a very important pane. You'll use it most of the time because you need to follow what's happening at the files that you're creating, and also the different functions that it has, or the capabilities that it has. So thank you, keep exploring, and happy coding. Bye bye.